Hey guys, my name is Jennifer Ndwiga, and my YouTube channel is about lifestyle, recipes, and anything to do with motherhood. So today I'm going to show you my daily routine as a stay-at-home mom of one toddler. So our day starts with waking up at around 9 a.m. We then have our breakfast. After having our breakfast, I go ahead and wash the dishes that we have used. As you can see, that's what I'm doing right now. After washing the dishes, I moved to the bedroom where I did a bit of tidying up. I changed the bed sheets and tidied up the bedroom a bit because after we wake up, we don't normally do that right away. So after I finished tidying up the bedroom, my baby was kind of sleepy, so I put him down to sleep. But unfortunately, as I was cooking, he woke up. I guess the noise of me cooking woke him up. Then I guess he was also hungry, so he was a bit fussy, so I had to cook quickly so that I can feed him and then put him back to sleep again. I was cooking scrambled eggs, so my baby was going to have one egg with leftover ugali, which I would warm in the microwave. So there was also leftover cabbage and liver. That is what I was also going to have with alongside the scrambled eggs I was making. After we had lunch, my baby refused to go back to sleep. So I took that time to oil my hair because it was a bit itchy, so I was using Venus Curl Activator. That's the oil I'm using for my hair currently to prevent my scalp from being dry and itchy. After that, we went downstairs so that my baby can play a bit. So there's this bicycle in the compound that he uses to play. Then when we came back, he fell asleep. I used that time to relax a bit. So after he woke up at around 5, I made him a snack, that is Cerelac. Sometimes he takes oats, bread, it depends. Then later on, I started preparing dinner. I was making rice and beans, a mixture of it. I just wanted to make a very simple meal. So after dinner, I went ahead to clean the dishes that we used for dinner, and then proceeded to wash the day's clothes. That is now at around 9 p.m. So basically that's how I spend my days, but sometimes I find there's more to do, but I try as much as I can to alternate between chores. So what I mean by alternating between chores is, like, if I wash clothes today on a Monday, I won't wash them the next day on a Tuesday. I'll wash them on Wednesday. And then another example is that if my baby baths on a Monday, he will bath again on a Wednesday. Yeah, like that, so that I don't have so much to do in one day. Of course, I haven't shown you everything that I do, because there are also other unseen things like diaper changes, handling baby tantrums, consoling baby to sleep, etc, etc. Thank you for watching my video. Watch out for my next one. Bye.
Say what you wanna say to me